I'm Stephanie Cortes, and I'm the Dean of Health Sciences here at the College of Central Florida. I've been at the College of Central Florida for about 15 years, working first as a nursing instructor and then moving into the position of Dean of Health Sciences in 2016. I love the College of Central Florida, and I'm so excited to tell you a little bit about what I love about CF and what I love about health sciences. So health sciences is a big division here at the college. We have several different program options that have a presence on each of our campuses, here in Ocala, in Citrus County, and then of course in Levy County. One of the programs that we offer in Levy County just about every year is our EMT program, which is a 3-month program, which is a very doable option for students right out of high school. After a student has earned their EMT certificate, they can continue on at CF and earn a paramedic certificate. Once they've received that paramedic certificate, really the options are endless for them in terms of where they can work, both with a fire department, in a hospital setting, and even continuing on to become a registered nurse. Here at CF, we just started our paramedic to registered nurse RN program, and it's going great. It's a shift-friendly option for working paramedics who are interested in that upward career mobility. We also have a few other programs that have a presence in terms of earning your general education credits toward an associate degree. So of course I mentioned nursing. Here in Levy County, you can take most all of your general education courses before applying to our associate degree nursing program. We also offer an RN to BSN program, and that program is for working registered nurses, those people who have already earned their associate degree, who are interested in earning that bachelor's degree. And that's a wonderful thing for students to pursue, because once you've earned that bachelor's degree, you really have endless opportunities in terms of management and leadership within a hospital or a community doctor's office. So it's a great option for students. We also offer a dental assisting program, which is a 1-year program. And once students earn that dental assisting certificate, they're able to work in dental practices. And we have clinical partners across all 3 counties that we can place students in to complete those clinical hours. Also, within health sciences, I told you guys it was big, we have a radiography program, which is our newest of our health sciences programs. So this program prepares students to become a radiologic technologist, which works in the hospital setting primarily, or some outpatient imaging centers. We also have our physical therapy assistant program, which is another associate degree program. And we're in the process of transitioning our surgical technology program to an associate degree. So starting in the fall of 2021, we will begin our associate degree surgical tech program. We've got a lot of different options for students. If nursing is your thing, we've got you covered. If you like a little more excitement and action, we've got our EMS programs, and really everything in between. We also partner with many community organizations and hospitals to make sure that we're staying abreast of all of the things that are going on in our community regarding the needs of our community. So one of the things that we've heard most recently as a result of the COVID-19 pandemic is that there is an increased need for respiratory therapists. So CF is answering that call from our community partners, and we're currently working to establish a respiratory therapy program. Another program that's on the horizon is a dental hygiene program, which is super exciting. We've been working toward this for a couple of years now, and we're really excited to be starting that in the next year to 18 months. As you can see, CF has a lot to offer, but I'd like to sort of leave you with why I chose CF and really how I got into health sciences in general. So after graduation, I really didn't know what I wanted to do in terms of, a career. I had a great teacher in high school who gave us some feedback on an assignment. I think it was in 11th grade, and she said, "Oh, you should be a physical therapist. That's a really great field." And I thought, okay, that's just what I'll do. So I applied to universities, got into UF, and went down to UF thinking that I was just going to do what my teacher told me to do. I got there and I realized there were so many opportunities within the health setting that I really had not thought about. So interestingly, I chose nursing and pursued a nursing degree from the University of Florida. I graduated in 2000 with my bachelor's degree, and then in 2002 with my master's degree. After I earned that master's degree, I worked as a pediatric nurse practitioner in Ocala in a pediatrician's office for about 4.5 years before I decided to try teaching out. And the way that I got into teaching was I had the opportunity to be a preceptor or a mentor for a nurse practitioner student who was trying to, pursue her master's degree. And I really enjoyed teaching and talking about learning. So I come from a long line of teachers, and so I guess it was no surprise to my family that somehow I migrated into education. Here at CF, we offer a lot of affordable options for students, which is, I think, something that should be taken into consideration as you are considering different options. So keep us in mind here at CF. There are a lot of options for students. Affordability needs to be considered, but then also think about that long-term plan. Think about where you see yourself. Think about what's going to make you happiest, because life is too short. You need to choose something that is going to keep you happy, keep you motivated, and I certainly hope that you give us a shot here at CF.